I spent years doing squats to grow my glutes until I realized it's not about the squats at all. Pilates actually gave me exercises that lifted and grew my glutes at the same time. So today, we're gonna do 12 of them together. Now, get on a mat and let's get started. Lie down on your mat, feet hip width apart, and now push your pubic bone to the ceiling and come up vertebrae by vertebrae. Hold and come down. And come up. Come back down again. And one more time. Come up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Push your knees to the other side of the room and engage your inner thigh muscles. Now, flex your feet and put them down on the floor. Flex and put them down. You should feel your hamstrings working more. Flex and down. Now flex and hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now roll down. All right, let's roll up again. And now stretch your leg to the ceiling and move it to the side and back, side and back, side and back. And one more time, side and back. Put it down. Other leg goes up, side and back, side and back, side and back, side and back. Now put it down again and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Come up and pull your legs in. Hold one leg, straighten the other leg, and change. And change. And change. And change. And change. Now let's do crisscross. You're going to pull one leg in, like before, and turn to that leg, like this. And other side. And one more. And back to center. Pull your leg in and lie down. Now your arms go to your sides. Your legs stretch to the ceiling and to the front of you. Now you inhale, come to a 90-degree angle in your hips and push your legs back over your upper body. Flex your feet, open your legs and put them down. Now roll back slowly and controlled. Point your feet and bring them together. Inhale, 90-degree angle. Exhale, push your legs to the back, dorsiflex, open your legs, put them down, and roll back down. Point your feet and bring them together. One more time, 90-degree angle. Now push your legs over, flex your feet, open your legs, put them down. Now we're going to come to control balance. So bring your hands to your feet, grab one foot or ankle, whichever feels more comfortable to you. I'm going to grab my foot. And now bring your other leg up and point your foot. Bring it as high as you can. You're going to feel it in your back and in your hamstrings and glutes. Now, change your legs and put the other foot down and grab it with your hands. And change your legs. Controlled. And one more. And last one on both sides. Last one on this side. And well done. Now put the other leg down. Your arms go back and now roll down. That was a tough one, so well done. Now come onto your side. Your head lies on your lower arm. The other arm is in front of you. Your legs are slightly to the front and pointed. Now lift your legs up and down and up. Hold. And now move the leg closest to the mat. Goes down and up, down, up. 2 more times. 1 and up. and bring your legs down. Bring the leg on the mat in, and the other leg goes up to hip height, and there is no tension. Your foot is just hanging there like a floppy foot, and your knee is also relaxed. Now, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. Now, bring the leg to the front, lift and come back. Front, lift and come back. And front and lift and come back. Don't forget about the floppy foot, so it's just hanging there. There's no tension. That's how you get the gluteus. One more time. Front, lift and back. And now bring the leg to the front. You still have a floppy foot and let it drop down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. Go back. Now straighten your mat leg and get your other leg in front of your mat. Now we're going to do an adductor lift. Lift your leg up and down and up and down. 2 more. Down, up and down. Now push yourself up and let's go to the other side. Your head is on your arm, your other hand is in front of you. Legs are straight and pointed. And now lift your legs up and down and up. Now hold and move your mat leg down and up and down and up, down and up and down and up and down and up. Now bring your mat leg to a tabletop position on the floor. Your other leg is relaxed, so you have a floppy foot and your knee is relaxed. Your leg is on hip height. And now lift up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Bring your leg forward. Still floppy foot. Up, down and back. And forward, up, down and back. And forward, up, down and back. And forward, up, down and back. One more time. Forward, up, down and back. Now bring your leg to the front and drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And bring it back. Now put your leg down, straighten the other leg. Bring your upper leg to the front and let's do the adductor lift. So lift up and down. Point your foot up and down and up and down and up and down. Well done. Now come into your stomach. Your elbows are below your shoulders. Your hands are interlaced. Your legs are together. Lift your legs up and now kick 2 times and change and change and change and change and change. And push your chest to the front and change. Keep your abdominals engaged. Change. Bring them down. Keep them still up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your legs. Now push yourself into a resting position. And roll back up vertebrae by vertebrae. Wow, that was a tough workout. I really felt it in my glutes. What about you? Tell me in the comments below. I'm so proud of you for finishing this one today. And if you stick to it, you will grow your glutes in no time. And don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and you have more glow within you than you realize. So thank you for joining me today and I hope to see you soon in my next workout. Bye!